Alright, gentlemen, going to go ahead and add another video here. This is Larry McAllister's Blackbird I've been working on for a while. It's been a little bit of a stinker. When I got it, it was running real rough, and then it just shut down. He had lost a main wiring harness. It had some catastrophic faults and failures in it, so I ended up replacing that. Timing chain sprockets, I showed you a video of that. Was extremely noisy. Put the new chain sprockets in it. It's got the typical buzz now. It's a lot less than it was, but it was still misfiring. Still had a bad run in it. In investigating it, come to find out, it was the coils. He had put some aftermarkets on here. I believe they're aftermarkets, I'm not sure. He had ordered some new ones to put them in. I have a spare motor that I have parts and stuff. I picked this thing up in case I ever lose the motor out of my 2000 here, which has got 192,000 miles on it, with the original power plant still in it. But you know, it's always good to have spares, because I intend to, as you can see, have a few of them here. But what I wanted to show you is the difference in the coils. I mean, color difference is one thing, but the big difference that we found was actually in the coil itself. If you look at the end here, you can see one pocket is very shallow, the other pocket is very, very deep. The coils that Larry has on his bike right now, both the pockets are actually shallow. And I have a funny feeling it's something to do where it picks off the high tension voltage, and apparently it's messing with the phasing, is what I can, as near as I can tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the bike up here, and I'll let you hear it. You'll hear a stutter. Also, it takes a little bit longer to fire up than when I put the other coils in there. What I'll do is I'll put the other coils in there, and I'll fire it up and let you guys hear and see the difference. But this is with his stock coils in there and stock wires. You hear that steadily stubborn? Where it's just kind of hitting on and off, on and off. As you bring your RPM up, it gets a little bit better, but you can feel it in the bars in the shake. So I'll bring it up. It's at 1500 idle right now. That's at $3,000. You hear the stumble. It's not real bad, but it's there. So I'm going to go ahead and shut this off, and I'll go ahead and put the factory coils in there with the wires, and let you guys go ahead and hear it then.